Hi, I'm DevRow.
Welcome to the 4th devlog. As you see, Bob has a head now, and we still have the tools we can pick up, but now Bob will turn to the camera to show us his new tool. Today we look at a lot of fixes I do, because that's what I can do on a Sunday, because I just have half a day, because I'm streaming. Also, I fixed the carry animations, which now look really nice. Depending on if you carry something light, like a log, or something heavy, like 2 logs, you will have different animations. You have also animations for picking up and dropping down. And because Bob wanted it, we now can kick stuff. That's about all. Hope you enjoyed my video, and if you did so, why not like, share, subscribe, drink some water. And I catch you all next time. Bye bye.